Quantum mechanical model of an atom. To find the position and velocity of electron, light of very short wavelength is required as the electrons are very small. This short wavelength of light interacts with electron and disturbs the motion of electrons. Hence, simultaneously, we can't find the position and velocity of electron accurately. So, this is called Heisenberg uncertainty principle. From the above discussion, it is clear that electrons do not follow definite paths in an atom. If the electrons are not distributed in orbits around the nucleus, this means an atom does not have definite boundary. You can see in figure that atom does not have a definite boundary. As a result, it is not possible to pinpoint an electron in an atom, so that it is not possible to measure accurately the position and velocity of electron simultaneously, which we discussed right now in Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Under these circumstances, in order to understand the properties of electron in an atom, a quantum mechanical model of atom was developed by Erwin Schrödinger. According to this model of an atom, instead of orbits of Bohr model, the electrons are thought to exist in a particular region of space around the nucleus at a given instant of time. So these particular regions of space around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum, we can find the probability of electron in this particular region maximum. So, the region of space around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum is called orbital. In a given space around the nucleus, only certain orbitals can exist.